In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide and protect locked chats on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and I'm going to show you from the beginning. So first off, we need to open up WhatsApp. After that, head over to chats. As you can see here, I have just archived chats at the top. However, if we drag it down a bit, it will reveal this locked chats item. And even though the locked chats are now hidden in this way, anyone who might have our phone in their hands can swipe down, then tap right here, and then if Face ID haven't set up on your phone, then they can get access to your locked chats. And now I'm gonna show you how you can easily prevent that. So now, guys, here, in order to do that, we need to tap right here to go to settings. And that's where we need to turn off the option hide locked chats. After that, tap right here where it says create secret code. Then you need to come up with a secret code that would be memorable for you. I'm just going to enter Apple here and then hit next. After that, we need to confirm it in that way and then hit done. Now I've just set secret code for my locked chats, and then if we open up WhatsApp, go to our chats, and then if we drag it down, it won't show us these locked chats here. And now only way to get access to that locked chats is just enter our secret code here at the search box. Here, keep in mind that you must enter the code exactly in the same format as it was written. If the first letter wasn't capitalized, then enter it in that way. I'm just gonna unpress Shift and then I'm gonna enter Apple. And once you've done that, that will show you here these locked chats, and that's how now we can enter them. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.